Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Smith Corona Skyriter on the bench, and we're going to try to adjust the shift and ring and cylinder, I guess that's what they would call that. What I'm getting is the upper case is a little bit missing at the top a little bit, so I want to try to adjust that whole shift. The shift is even, so I'm just going to try to adjust it through the shift, and this little Skyriter comes apart pretty easy. There's a screw right here, right there somewhere. Let's see if I can find it. There we go. And there's one on the other side, and this comes right out of the case. They really should have kept the same design when they switched this to the Corsair. They should have kept the same simple case removal tricks. So this lid just comes off with a bit of flexing. Okay, get the lid off. Now the machine should just come out of here, right on out of here. There we go. Comes right out of the bottom there. Set this aside. See, this isn't too bad, really. But what I got noticing was that number 4 is what I worked on. That was really fouled up. But look at the dollar sign is kind of whacked out. So that's what made me notice the H is a little light on the top too. So let's just adjust the whole thing. What I'm going to do is get this to lift higher. If it lifts higher, it's going to print better on the top. And there's definitely room to go, because if we do this with lowercase, we can bring it up a little and it still types good right there. So we can definitely adjust this some. And I had to take this out of the case because those adjustments are right here in the middle, right there. And let's take a look and see which way we gotta go here. Always gotta look and see. Okay, so I want this to go higher. That means this screw has got to come out a little bit. So let's bring this out maybe a half a turn. Just like that right there. Let's see if I can get this nut to tighten down. Nope. Got nothing to prop this typewriter up on. Put my big blocks back here. Let's see if I can let go of this. And we will keep that screw in that position. Tighten that nut down. So since I adjusted that, I also need to adjust this lowercase, which this one has to go in. So let's take a look and see if we can turn this in a half a turn. Not quite. Might have to fine tune it there, but let's take a look and see how that worked. Let's see what kind of results this gives. Let's start right with that dollar sign. That's a little better. Oh, well, at least I got the balance even enough. I think that's good enough. I don't want to go any further. It starts throwing things out of whack a little too much, so I think that's good enough. Just a half a turn adjustment. It's going to take care of that. Alright, that's how you adjust the shift, upper and lower case, and ring and cylinder on this particular machine. These two little guys right here. Alright, good enough. Still got to tune this thing up a little more and fix that number 4. See, this thing got abused, and it not only bent the type bar way over here, it was way out of whack. The type bar has been bent, the link is here, so I'll figure out a way to form that up, get it even with the rest of these, and nobody will know any difference. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.